Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Yesterday actually we just removed the gearbox out to actually inspect for oil leaks on this T6 transporter, and obviously the oil leaks was coming from the rear main seal. As you can see, it's around there, just leaking on the side there, coming down the bottom. But at the same time we're going to reseal the sump because we're here already, and we have checked the front gearbox seal, nothing wrong on that. And then we have checked the actual seal on the diff or the transfer case, nothing wrong with this side here. So what we're doing now, we're just going to clean everything, and we're going to seal up the sump, at the same time put the rear main seal on, because it comes with a ring gear that actually connected to the actual speed sensor on the side there. That's a really painful job to do if you have to do a speed sensor. It's right here on this corner there, so you can see right there. But anyway, so this is only video 1, so we'll do video 2 when we finish. But it's a lot of stuff we got to remove up on top. Steering rack, subframe, this one here, this whole subframe here removed out, so we have room to actually remove the gearbox off. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.